Hey everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo. In today's video, we're going to go over 10 passive income ideas. Make sure to watch it to number 1 because it's one of the most amazing passive income ideas I've ever seen. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you can see more videos like this one. Now let's get straight into the video. Many people wonder how difficult it is to get passive income. They also think that maintaining passive income is hard, but nothing could be further from the truth. As long as you have a proven system to follow from someone who is already successful at generating passive income, it gets a lot easier to make and maintain. Here are 10 passive income ideas. Number 10, starting a podcast. For those looking for a way to generate some extra income, starting a podcast could be the perfect solution. Podcasts are a nice way to reach a wide audience with minimum effort, and they can be monetized in a number of ways. For example, many podcasters sell advertising space on their show or offer paid subscriptions for access to exclusive content. In addition, many podcasters also create products based on their show, such as books, t-shirts, or other merchandise. And best of all, once a podcast is created, it can continue to generate income passively for years to come. It requires very little ongoing work to maintain, and unlike other forms of passive income, such as rental properties or stock portfolios, a podcast can be started with very little upfront investment. All you need is a microphone and a quiet space to record. Plus, if you already have a blog or website, you can promote your podcast to your existing audience at no additional cost. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money, starting a podcast could be the perfect solution. Number 9, selling digital products. You work hard for your money, but what if your money could work hard for you? That's the idea behind passive income. Generating revenue without expending much effort. And one of the best ways to create passive income is by selling digital products. Whether you're an expert on a particular topic or you have a unique talent, there's a digital product out there that people will pay for. Once you've created your product, you can sell it over and over again with very little additional work. Unlike physical goods, digital products can be sold at an unlimited number of times, which means that you can continue to earn money from them long after they've been created. Plus, with no inventory or shipping costs, digital products are very affordable to produce. And thanks to the reach of the internet, they can be sold to anyone in the world. Each time someone buys your product, you'll receive a commission. With digital products, the sky is the limit when it comes to generating passive income. So start brainstorming ideas for your next big project. It could be the key to financial freedom. Number 8, selling courses. If you're looking for a way to generate some passive income, selling courses is a great option. With online courses, you can create and sell content that people can access anytime and anywhere. And best of all, you don't have to be present in order to generate sales. Once you've created your course, it can continue to sell indefinitely. And once you've put in the initial work of creating the course, you can continue to sell it for months or even years to come. And thanks to the internet, it's now easier than ever to reach a global audience of potential students. Not only can you sell courses on your own website, but you can also list them on online marketplaces like Udemy and Skillshare. In addition, you can use social media and email marketing to promote your courses and reach even more students. Of course, creating a high quality course takes some work up front, but once you've put in the effort, you can reap the rewards for years to come. So if you're looking for a passive income stream that can provide long-term residual earnings, selling courses is definitely worth considering. Number 7, affiliate marketing. For those not familiar, affiliate marketing is a way to earn commission by promoting other people's products. Essentially, you can act as a middleman between the customer and the product owner. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission from the sale. Affiliate marketing is a great way to generate passive income because it requires very little work on your part. Once you've set up your affiliate links, you can sit back and let the sales come in. The best part is that you can do this in your spare time and generate passive income. Of course, you need to put in the work up front to build up your audience and create quality content. But once you have done that, you can start earning money while you sleep. Additionally, affiliate marketing can be extremely lucrative, with some affiliates earning 6-figure incomes. If you're looking for a way to make money with minimum effort, affiliate marketing is an excellent option. Number 6, selling Amazon Kindle eBooks. Amazon Kindle has made it possible for people to generate passive income from writing through eBooks. In the past, writers would have to find a traditional publisher in order to get their work out there. This often involves going through a lengthy and competitive process. even if they were successful, writers would only receive a small percentage of the proceeds from each book sold. With Amazon Kindle, however, writers can self-publish their work and keep up to 70% of the royalties. This has made possible for many people to make a living from their writing. In addition, Amazon Kindle makes it easy for readers to discover new books, which means that writers can reach a larger audience than ever before. Because ebooks can be sold repeatedly at no additional cost, they offer a great opportunity to generate passive income. Additionally, because there are no printing or distribution costs associated with the ebooks, authors can keep a larger percentage of each sale. For these reasons, self-publishing an ebook can be a very profitable business. Number 5, print on demand. Anyone who's ever tried their hand at selling physical products know that it can be a lot of work. There's the hassle of keeping inventory, dealing with shipment, and handling customer service. Print on demand offers a solution to all of these problems. With print on demand, you can sell physical products without any hassle. And best of all, you can generate passive income from your print on demand business. That means you can make money while you sleep. All you need to get started is a design for your product and a print on demand partner. Once you set up your store, you can start selling products and making money passively. So if you're looking for a way to generate income without all the hassle, print on demand is one of the best ways. Number 4, selling NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are digital assets that are unique and unable to be replicated. They have been gaining in popularity lately as a way to collect and trade digital art, music, and other forms of media. While the concept of NFTs are still fairly new, there are already a number of platforms that allow users to buy, sell, or trade these assets. In addition, a number of artists and creators have begun using NFTs as a way to monetize their work. For example, some musicians have released songs or albums as NFTs. One of the benefits of NFTs is that they can be sold as a form of passive income. Unlike stocks or other investments, NFTs do not require continuous buying and selling in order to generate profit. Instead, once an NFT is created, it can be sold multiple times, providing a steady stream of revenue. In addition, NFTs can be stored securely online, making them easy to access and trade. As a result, selling NFTs is a great way to generate passive income. Number 3, sell advertising space. There are a number of ways to generate passive income from a website. One popular method is to sell advertising space on the site. This can be done either through direct negotiations with the advertisers or by using advertising network, such as Google AdSense. Another way to generate passive income from a website is to sell products or services through the site. This could include selling physical goods, digital products such as eBooks or courses, or services such as coaching or consulting. Finally, many website owners use their sites to build an email list, which they can then use to promote affiliate products or their own products and services. By carefully choosing the right revenue streams, it is possible to generate significant amount of passive income from a website. Number 2, selling your music. There are a number of ways to generate passive income from music, and selling your music is one of the most popular options. You can sell your music online through a variety of platforms, including iTunes, Amazon, and Google Play. You can also sell your music offline through CDs and DVDs. When you sell your music, you earn royalties for every time someone purchases your music. These royalties can add up over time, providing you with a steady stream of passive income. In addition to selling your music, you can also generate passive income by licensing your music for use in films, TV shows, and commercials. When your music is used in these productions, you earn a fee for each use over time. These fees can add up over time and provide you even more passive income. So if you're an artist and is looking to sell your music, your fans are waiting for you right now. Before we get to number 1, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon notification. Number 1, Faceless YouTube channel. A lot of people think that in order to make money from YouTube, you need to be a large channel with millions of views, but that's not necessarily true. There are plenty of smaller channels out there that are generating passive income from their owners. One example is Matt Parr. His channel has over 60,000 subscribers, but he's still able to make a living from it. That's because he's built up a loyal audience who enjoys his content and is willing to support him through advertisements and sponsorships. So if you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, don't be discouraged by the thought of competition. Remember that even a small channel can be profitable if you produce quality content and build a supportive community. If you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, we have a link to Matt Parr's course in the description below. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online with Cash Mojo and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making money online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.